What if I told you that this liquid gold could be the key to unlocking better health? Stick around, because what you're about to learn might just change the way you eat forever. Hey there, health enthusiasts! Today, we're diving deep into the world of olive oil. But this isn't just any ordinary cooking oil. It's a powerhouse of nutrients that could transform your health. And don't just take my word for it. Let's dive into what the latest research says about olive oil. A landmark study published in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology in 2020 found that people who consumed more than half a tablespoon of olive oil daily had a 14% lower risk of cardiovascular disease and an 18% lower risk of coronary heart disease. That's right. Just half a tablespoon a day could make a significant difference. For centuries, people in the Mediterranean have known a secret. Their diet, rich in olive oil, has been linked to longer lives and lower rates of heart disease. But why? The numbers don't lie. Mediterranean countries have significantly lower rates of heart disease. Could olive oil be the missing link in your diet? Let's get technical for a moment. Olive oil is primarily composed of oleic acid, a monounsaturated fat. A 2018 review in the journal Endocrine, Metabolic and Immune Disorders. Drug targets found that oleic acid has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which may explain many of olive oil's health benefits. Let's break it down further. Olive oil is packed with monounsaturated fats, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds. But what does this mean for your body? First up, heart health. Olive oil can help lower bad cholesterol and increase good cholesterol, reducing your risk of heart disease and stroke. A 2014 study in the journal BMC Medicine discovered that people who consumed olive oil regularly had a 35% lower risk of cardiovascular disease and a 48% lower risk of cardiovascular mortality. That's huge. But it doesn't stop there. Studies suggest that olive oil may improve brain function and potentially reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease. A 2013 study in the journal Neurology found that older adults who followed a Mediterranean diet high in olive oil had better cognitive function and a lower risk of cognitive decline. And let's not forget about that glow. The antioxidants in olive oil can help fight aging and give your skin a natural, healthy shine. Olive oil can even help your gut health, reducing inflammation and improving digestion. But wait, there's more. Olive oil might even boost your immune system. A 2018 study in the journal Nutrients found that the compounds in olive oil can modulate the immune system, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds great, but how do I add more olive oil to my diet? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Try drizzling it over salads, using it as a marinade for meats, or even baking with it. The possibilities are endless. Now, you might be wondering how olive oil compares to other cooking oils. Well, a 2018 study in the journal Food and Chemical Toxicology found that when compared to sunflower, corn, and soybean oils, olive oil produced the least amount of harmful compounds when heated, making it a safer choice for cooking. But here's the catch. Not all olive oils are created equal. Look for extra virgin olive oil, which is the least processed and retains the most health benefits. Always check the label and look for a harvest date. Fresher is better. When choosing olive oil, look for cold-pressed or cold-extracted varieties. A 2018 study in the journal Foods found that these methods preserve more of the beneficial compounds in the oil. Now, before we wrap up, I've got a secret tip that will take your olive oil game to the next level. Here it is. Store your olive oil in a dark, cool place to preserve its benefits. Light and heat can degrade the oil, reducing its potency. And here's another research-backed tip. A 2020 study in the journal Antioxidants found that consuming olive oil with other antioxidant-rich foods like tomatoes can enhance the absorption of beneficial compounds. So try drizzling some olive oil over your next tomato salad. And there you have it, the incredible health benefits of olive oil and how to make the most of them. Remember, while olive oil has many potential health benefits, it's still high in calories. The FDA recommends limiting your intake to about 2 tablespoons per day, as part of a healthy diet. As always, consult with your healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet. Remember, small changes can lead to big results. Start incorporating olive oil into your diet today, and your body will thank you tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health tips. Until next time, stay healthy.